The second question was why you should be retained. You said you will not resign. So it's up to the GFA to make a decision.
Yes, but you have to ask the GFA this question. Why? I mean, it's the same.
That's why the background was important.
It's the same. If we turn things around, tables around. Yeah. For me, judges, because the questions were good. Okay, don't take it personally. No. I'm just saying. You're a good journalist in my eyes. Just don't take it personally. If I would say you are bad, then I will ask you, would you resign? And, you won't do it. It's like, I mean, but. No, that's why I said you are good. I didn't want you to take it personal. No. So I'm saying you're good because for me the questions you asked were good. But then if you think like you said, you're a good journalist, and I ask you resign, would you resign? You will say no. Because you asked me why, and these questions are not my responsibility if I should continue or not. For me, I'm not, like I said before, and if the next person will ask, we can use the same answer. I'm not a person, I'm never giving up on nothing. This is the way I came up. If you want to be, let's say, a footballer, a professional, you will never give up. You fight, you work hard. You fall down 10 times, you stand up the 11th time, and then you do it. This is how I made it. It's not like I came up and then I made it as a professional. And the same as a coach. As a coach, it's not like, somebody will just give you anything for granted, a badge. You have to work hard, you have to have teams, you have to work with them, you have to surely get results, which were not there, 100%. This is my responsibility, no one else. And surely you will fall down as a coach. I can give you a lot of examples. And
not like everything goes like this. No, in first years, in not 1, 2 years, big problems. We are almost relegated. And then